Quickly and simply calibrating a sensitive and safety-related assistance system in a car, Gutmann Solutions now offers a unique solution, the CSC-Tool. A complete system, user-friendly, applicable for many vehicles, upgradable and therefore more cost-effective than other systems. The camera and sensor calibration tool, abbreviated as the CSC-Tool, is compatible with different diagnostic equipment from Gutmann Solutions: the MegaMax 66, the MegaMax PC, the MegaMax 56 and even Gutmann's smallest handheld device, the MegaMax 42 SE. Implementation varies with each vehicle manufacturer. The initial position is always at the rear axle of the vehicle together with the diagnostic tool. Calibration will be explained here. The different calibration procedures can always be adapted simply and quickly. Before the tool can be aligned with the vehicle, first connect the diagnostic equipment to the vehicle. After the vehicle selection, you'll receive step-by-step instructions for the calibration. Step 1. Adjusting the CSC wall. Place the wall in front of the vehicle. And now place the measuring heads on the front axle. The distance from the middle of the tyre of the front axle to the reference panel must be adjusted based on the information from the diagnostic tool. Step 2. Adjusting the CSC tool centrally in front of the vehicle. Place the wheel sensor on the rear wheels and balance it with the level. Now sight the scales on the alignment bar using the laser on the wheel sensor. Then adjust the CSC tool by moving it to the left and right until both scales have the same value. Step 3. Adjusting the CSC tool parallel to the vehicle. Aim the wheel sensor laser at the mirror on the alignment bar so that the laser reflects back to the scales of the wheel sensor. Then adjust the CSC tool by moving it forward and backward until both scales of the wheel sensor have the same value. Step 4. Adjusting the height of the CSC tool. Measure the CSC tool's height value using the rulers and a 0-point adjustment on the back of the frame. It should be measured from the ground up to the mark. The allocated level specification can be found in the diagnostic tool. The CSC tool can now be centered using a level and turning the feet. Step 5, and the last step, measuring the level values of the individual wheels. Measure the height of all 4 wheels from the edge of the wheel arch to the ground. Then enter the height in millimeters into the allocated fields in the diagnostic tool and start the calibration process. The camera control unit will now automatically compare the picture from the entered information to the actual picture. That's it. The diagnostic tool now shows the calibration information and will inform you if the calibration has been successful. If not, the requirements need to be re-examined. You'll discover that using the CSC tool with the HGS diagnostic equipment is extremely easy. With a little practice, calibration can be completed in less than 20 minutes. Another advantage of the CSC tool, the calibration will, like with all Gutmann information, be stored in the car history. It can be printed out and serves as proof of properly functioning systems. Since it's always safety-relevant systems, it's absolutely necessary to have such proof. Because the CSC tool has a modular design, it can also be enhanced with other essential components in the future. For example, with the increasingly included radar systems or other new assistance systems. That means investment protection and maximum flexibility for you. The era of driver assistance systems has begun. Gutmann Solutions is a big part of that and proves that the implementation of new technologies in vehicles is also possible for non-affiliated workshops. The CSC tool from Gutmann Solutions provides a flexible, intuitively operated and 100% reliable complete calibration system. Try it for yourself.